Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G, and today I would like to show you where you can find all typing features on this Samsung. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Then select General Management and tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. As you can see, some typing options are over here. If you wish to enable or disable one of them, just tap on the switcher next to the chosen one, or click on it and tap on the switcher here. Then you need to go back, scroll down and tap on more typing options. Then manage all of them however you wish to as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!